2000s, they took this land out here and they put it up for sale. Well, there was a man by the name of Stephen Case who came out here and bought up everything that you see. Spent millions on it. But folks, he's also the co-founder of America Online, or AOL.com. Spent, I don't know, pretty close to $68 million or something like that. So all this land out here, the shoreline as far as I can see, was all sugar. All the way out to Poipu, he bought all that. This was owned by the Grove Farm Corporation at one time. Now he owns Grove Farm, Kukui Grove Shopping Center, and all that. What is he going to do with it? Don't know. He hasn't really made anything public about what he wants to do with it.
Do they ever grow pineapples here?
Back in the 60s, they stopped growing them. They used to grow pineapples. Time to irrigate sugar fields. As what they're doing with it now, I don't know, because they have pumping stations right here. So my assumption, probably drinking water now. It's fresh water. It comes right off of the mountain area.
This town?
This is the town of Hanamaulu. Just a little past Lehui.
Ridges?
No. Milton. St. Regis over in Princeville.
Which golf course is that?
That's the Wailua Golf Course. Actually pretty nice. I haven't played there. My friend guys, they usually go there a lot, but they say it's a really nice course. Before it was really but they've done a really good job at upkeeping it after a while. Alrighty folks, we just got our clearance to land, so I do ask you guys to please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Upon landing, well, the flight line crew will be up to the helicopter to escort you guys off. Now folks, when you guys do step off the helicopter, I do ask you guys to please watch your head and watch your step getting out. Also folks, if you guys want to take a picture in front of the helicopter, hey, that's fine with me if you guys want to brave the rain here. All you got to do is wait for the loader to offload the last passenger, and he'll go ahead and take that camera from you guys and snap the picture. But folks, make sure you get your cameras back from him, or the next place you might find it is on Craigslist or eBay. Now folks, on behalf of myself and Safari Helicopters, everybody here from the girls at the front desk, the mechanics, management, we all like to say a big mahalo nui loa. Thank you very much, folks, for flying with us over the island of Kauai. Hey, glad you guys enjoyed the flight around the island. Enjoyed showing you guys different areas of the island that I was born and raised on. And folks, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your vacation out here on Kauai. You guys have a safe vacation. So with that, I'll bid you guys an aloha kakahiaka malamapono ahui ho, folks, which means, hey, have a good morning, take care, and until we meet again. Alrighty, folks, just sit tight here until Sherelle can come up and escort you guys off. Hey, folks, you guys can go ahead and take your headsets off, put them up on the hooks in the front and on the hooks behind your head back there.